Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about tourism. And the tourism minister urges increased production to meet sector demand. So guys, do you realize Jamaica has a population of 3 million people? Yet Jamaica has up to 5 million tourists visiting a year. More people visit Jamaica than you have Jamaicans living in it. And that 5 million figure, it's going to keep getting higher and higher because Jamaica is the most sought after destination in the Caribbean. And the finance minister is doing an excellent job. So that figure is going to keep growing. But these hotels have to buy food, they have to buy water, they have to get people to work in it. And that is why the tourism minister is asking for an increase in production because a lot of these hotels have to buy stuff from overseas. It's not because they want, it's just that the supply is not available in Jamaica. Remember, these manufacturers in Jamaica have to supply the local market as well as the hotels, and a lot of these companies are selling overseas as well. So, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the tourism minister is trying to work out. As visitor arrivals continue to grow, the tourism minister, Honorable Edmund Bartlett, is highlighting the need to increase the production of goods and supplies to meet a growing demand in the sector. A great demand is on us. The demand for agricultural goods, for manufactured goods, for services of all types is now escalating, but the supply is an issue, he noted. The minister noted that last year Jamaica welcomed 4 million tourists who spent approximately US 4 billion. Since the start of 2024, close to 1.5 million tourists have visited the island's shores, generating foreign exchange earnings of almost 2 billion. Minister Bartlett said that increasing local production is critical in enabling the country to retain a larger portion of the tourist dollar, ensure the sector's sustainability, and maximize economic benefits for the country. The supply side is where the wealth is in tourism. Jamaica should start looking at the supply side and how we can bring more food, bring more pots, pans, cans, and kettles to be utilized in the service of tourism, he emphasized. So bring the supplies, manufacture everything you can, produce everything you can, we will consume it and make you wealthy, he urged. The 3-day expo was held under the theme Future Forward, Shaping Tomorrow's Business Today. More than 125 businesses showcased their products and services, fostering networking and collaboration among tourism industry players. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So there is a lot of potential out there to supply these hotels and the tourism industry. And as the minister said, the industry is growing. It's just a matter of time before Jamaica has more tourists than any other island in the Caribbean. Has more tourists visiting. It will soon be the most visited island by tourists every year. We have a little way to go because Santo Domingo actually holds the number one spot. Millions of tourists visit there every year, but Jamaica is on its path, and if Jamaica keeps on the path that they are on, they will get there very soon. 20,000 hotel rooms will be available within the next 5 years. 20,000 more. So if we continue at this rate of growth, we'll pass the Dominican Republic in no time. Alright, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Have a good one.